Hey, what's up everybody? Dan Kraus again here in my shop, and today I'm going to be working on this beautiful M5. And the damage here on the right rear door, which is aluminum, we've got a little dent there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dents. 5 dents. 6 dents. 6 dents to work with, and they are, some of them are a little complex. The one here towards the front of the door, it's kind of a little crease, but hopefully we'll get some good access and be able to get up in there with a pick, and we'll see what happens. So, okay guys, so after a little bit of poking around here, this is going to give me all sorts of access, and it doesn't look like there's anything in the way, so I should be able to get all these dents out nice and clean. Hopefully. I know with aluminum, I know I'm gonna have to push extra hard, so I'll have to be extra careful. So anyways, looks like I'm gonna use that hole, and on this side there's actually a nice little, you can take this this little, there's like a little reflector that goes in here, and you pop that out, and then there's a rubber seal. Take the seal out, and there's a hole that I can access most of this area down here, it looks like. So I'm gonna jump into it and get this door finished, and hopefully this won't take too long. So guy needs his car back relatively quickly on this one, so I'll just jump right into it. All right, so I was able to go through this hole here. You can see with my finger going in there to get this dent right here. And I'm going to use a R4 tip with a little cherry end on it. So that's what I'm going to use to get started, and then I'll switch over to a finer pick to get the rest of it. Okay, so now I have the top 2 dents worked out. I've got to deal with this little dent here, and then there's a crease right on top of it, and then a little dent there. So unfortunately there is a reinforcement bar that goes right through there. So I'm going to have to use a pick like this with this kind of end on it, and this is just basically a bigger wire tool. And I'm just going to sneak it in through the hole there and start pushing that sucker out. All right, so here's where we're at. This dent right here is impossible for me to get to. unfortunately. Well, I'm gonna try one more thing, see if I can sneak this little wire tool up in there. It's kind of my last resort, and then I'll switch to a glue pull. And yeah, there's still a little bit of a crease here that I need to work out. That one is really difficult to get to as well. So just keep going with it until it's completely flat again. So we'll try the wire tool out and see what else we can come up with. Alrighty, so we're all done with the door. Turned out amazing. Ended up polishing up a little bit. Took care of a little dent that was up here as well.